Hey there, tech-savvy folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth tech reviews. Today, we've got a fantastic accessory for all you iPad enthusiasts out there: the ZAGG Pro Keys detachable case and wireless keyboard. Let's dive right into this transformative iPad accessory and see how it can turn your tablet into a powerhouse. First things first, this isn't just any keyboard case. It's a complete workstation transformation for your iPad Air 10.9. With an adjustable kickstand, it lets you set up your iPad in a way that suits you best. But what good is a workstation without a comfortable keyboard? The Pro Keys boasts an ergonomic keyframe design that's perfect for fast and precise touch typing. And guess what? It's backlit in 7 vibrant colors, so you can work comfortably even in low light conditions. Now, let's talk protection. Made from durable polycarbonate material with rubberized edges, button covers, and corner bumpers, this case provides a whopping 6.6 feet of drop protection. Your iPad is safe and sound with the Pro Keys. One of the standout features is multi-device pairing. You can connect up to 2 devices simultaneously and switch between them seamlessly. It's perfect for those of us juggling multiple gadgets. Worried about running out of juice? Fear not. The rechargeable battery keeps the Pro Keys running for up to a year between charges. Of course, your actual battery life will depend on how often you use the backlight. But that's not all. There's a dedicated holder for your Apple Pencil or any stylus you prefer. Plus, forward-facing speaker ports ensure you get the best audio experience. And the adjustable stand lets you find your perfect viewing angle. Just a quick heads up, the ZAGG Pro Keys is compatible exclusively with the iPad Air Gen 4 and Gen 5. So, there you have it, the ZAGG Pro Keys detachable case and wireless keyboard. A powerful keyboard, durable case, and versatile stand all in one package. It's the perfect companion for your iPad. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights and product reviews. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay productive with the ZAGG Pro Keys detachable case and wireless keyboard.